Introduction. Information security. Leaving the second word alone for now, first we need to ask what information is. Information is nothing but processed data. Sounds too technical? What is data then? Data is simply a collection of facts or values which may exist in different forms, as numbers or text on pieces of paper, as bits and bytes stored in electronic memory, or just as facts in a person's mind. Now, getting back on track, what is information? Data, when arranged in a convenient form for a specific purpose, is known as information. To put it in another way, information may be credit card numbers, debit card numbers, PIN numbers, Gmail passwords, Facebook passwords, router passwords, and bank account PIN numbers, and so on. An organized set of data is called information.